Teacher Eligibility Test 2014 TGT Non-Medical A Series. Physics 91. The mass of a man standing in a lift of 60 kg. What is the weight when he is standing on the lift, which is moving upward with acceleration 4.9 meter per second square? A. 882 kg. 92. Which of the following radiation has least wavelength? Gamma rays. 93. To get three images of a single object, one should have two plane mirror at an angle of B 90 degree. 94. Torque acting on an electric dipole uniform electric field is maximum if the angle between P and E is C 90 degree. 95. The time taken by an alternating current of 15 hazards in reaching from a 0 to maximum value will be 0.005 second. 96. The nature of friction force is B non-conservative. 97. The kinetic energy of free electron is doubled. Its de Broglie wavelength changes by the factor 1 upon under root 2. 98. Zener diode is used for stabilization. 99. Radius of an arm hydraulic lift is 4 times the radius of other arm. What force should be applied on a narrow arm to lift 100 kg? B. 62.5 Newton. 100. If a convex lens of focal length 80 cm and concave lens of a focal length 15 cm are combined together, what will be their resulting power? D. 0.75 D. 101. The cyclotron frequency of a electron getting in a magnetic field of IT is approximately D. 28 gigahertz. 102. A current carrying small loop behaves like a small magnet if A be its area and M is the magnetic moment. The current in the loop will be equal to A M upon A. 103. A player kicks a football of 0.5 kg. The football begins to move with a velocity of 10 meters per second. If the constant contact between the football and the leg lasts for 1 upon 50 seconds, then the force acting on the ball should be C 250 Newton. 104. Antenna of a height of 500 meter. What will be its range if radius of Earth is 6,400 km? D 80 km. 105. Rainbow is found due to combination of dispersion and total internal refraction. D is the answer. 106. If the forward voltage in a diode is increased, then the width of depletion range is B decreases. 107. Work done by friction force is B negative. 108. resistance of a ideal voltmeter is C infinite. 109. Rise in the temperature, the resistivity of semiconductor C decreases. 110. A body moves from a position R1 bracket starts to I cap minus 3 J cap plus 4 K cap bracket close M to a position R2 bracket starts 3 I cap minus 4 J cap plus 5 K cap bracket close M under the influence of a constant force. 4 bracket starts 4 I cap plus J cap plus 6 K cap bracket close Newton. The work done by force is equal to A 75 joule. 111. The work done in moving alpha particle from a 2.7 a potential difference 225 volt is a 8 into 10 raised to power 18 joule. 112. A soap bubble is charged to a potential of 16 volt. Its radius is then doubled. The potential of the bubble now will be equal to be 8 volt. 113. Sound wave of wavelength lambda traveling in a medium with a speed of v meter per second inverse enter into the another medium where its speed is 2v meter per second inverse. Wavelength of the sound wave in second medium is b lambda upon 2. 114. Ionization energy of hydrogen atom is b 13 plus 13.6 electron volt. 115. ev 113.6 ev 16. According to Bohr's principle, the relation between the principal quantum number n and a radius r of b r is proportional to n square. 116. A body floats in a water with a 40% of the volume outside the water. When same body floats in a oil of 16% of its volume remains outside oil, the relative density of oil is d 1.5. 117. A angle of incidence at which the reflected light is totally polarized. For the reflection from an air to glass, the refractive index mu is d tan inverse mu. 118. The energy required to establish a current 4 ampere in a coil. Self-inductance L is 200 mAh is C 1.6 joule. 119. A transformer is used to light a 100 watt and 110 volt lamp for 220 volt means if the main current is 0.5 ampere, the efficiency of transformer is approximately be 90%. 120. The momentum of a photon of energy of me volt in kilogram meter per second inverse will be equal to a 5.33 into 10 raised to power minus 22.